Yes, my people, good day. Customer states they hear a rolling sound while they're driving. So look, listen to it. I'm going to show you the wheel bearing and let you listen to the wheel bearing. And then I'm going to also let you listen to the bearing that is actually making the noise. Come on, let's go. All right, always be very careful when there's moving parts. So, see, we have the front axle up. This wheel is turning. This is the CV axle. Wheel bearing is there. Hear how quiet that is. Hear how quiet that is. Listen to this one now. There's a bearing right here with the axle. Listen to this one. Hear that? Listen to this one. Super quiet. Listen to this one. Now that wheel isn't turning. We're going to get that wheel over there. We're going to get this wheel to start turning. Make sure the parking brake is set and the wheel chocked. Just start slowing this down. Once you start slowing this down, then this one starts turning. Now before I do this, my parking brake is set and the wheels are chocked in the back. Alright, this one is turning. This is now quiet. Nothing going on this side. This side is quiet. Yeah, the noise is coming from that bearing right there. Probably have to change the whole axle. We're about to find out. Yes, my people, and this is the old axle. Here's the bearing. See if you can hear it. Hear how rough that sound? Yep, brand new, just for you, with a new bearing. That's how they install it. Just a little bracket. And that's it. Customer states. All right. Bless.